Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make kanda poha. Kanda patata poha is a popular Maharashtrian breakfast made from flattened rice or poha, herbs and a few spices. It is a staple breakfast in our home and is my family favorite too. I have grown up having poha for breakfast. My mom used to make it often for breakfast or as an evening snack. Remember not to rinse the poha too much or else they will break and become mushy and then the dish will not look appetizing. I prefer using potatoes in the poha as my kids love potatoes. At times I prepare the tadka at night and once cool keep the pan in the fridge. In the morning just rinse the poha and add. It saves precious time in the mornings when in a hurry. So do give this a try. If you are new to my channel, a warm welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you have tried this recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. So let's check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 onions, chopped them fine, around 5 green chilies, chopped fine, and a few curry leaves. You can add more onions if you wish to. This is around 3/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 2 boiled potatoes. This is optional, but I do add it since my family loves it. This is 500 grams of poha. I have rinsed it with water and put it on a strainer. It should be dry but yet soft. Now in a pan, take oil and ghee as required. I have used both. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the mustard and cumin crackles, add the onion, green chilies and curry leaves and fry till the onions are soft. They should not turn brown, otherwise the poha will change its color. It should be nice and soft. Now this is around half cup of frozen peas. This is optional, but I like to add it. It gives a nice color and taste to the dish. Add the boiled potatoes and be gentle now since the potatoes are cooked but they should not be mushy. Add salt as per taste and fry till the potatoes gets a nice coating and a little on the crisp side. At this point of time, you can add a little turmeric powder. This is 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you wish, you can add more, but then the color will become dark yellow. Add the roasted peanuts. If you don't want to use roasted ones, you can fry it and add it to the poha. It gives a nice crunch to the poha. Be gentle because the potatoes tend to break at this point of time. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add around 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is optional, but it enhances the taste of the dish. Give it a nice good mix. At this point of time, check for salt, sugar, spice. Add the poha. I have switched off the flame and give it a nice good mix. Be gentle when you are mixing. Once you have mixed everything properly, then you can start the flame. Now when you mix, you can do a tasting and see if you require salt or sugar. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it gently and then cover the lid and let it cook in its own steam for a few minutes. Don't add any water. This is 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. This is optional, but I do add it. Give it a nice mix, and just before serving, you can add juice of one lime. Mix well and serve. You can have this as a breakfast, brunch, or as an evening snack. Do give it a try. I'm sure you will enjoy this Maharashtrian style kanda poha. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So, my sweet friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye. See you soon with a new interesting recipe. Take care.